Welcome to the Children's Museum of New Hampshire. We are going to give you a short tour today of our many interactive exhibits and how to use them during your visit. Did you know that we design and build almost all of our exhibits here in the museum? Here is the front desk where you will check in for your visit. You can hang your coats in the coat room. The STEAM lab is to the left as you walk in. We do experiments and activities in here almost every day. The snack room, restrooms, and another classroom are down this hallway. There's also an elevator down this hallway. Heading into the museum, you will see the yellow submarine. Pretend to pilot in an undersea environment, use sonar, a periscope, and more. In Build It, Fly It, you can design your own creation and test how it flies. It is cranked up to 3 stories in the air. Redesign your creation and try again. Be sure to experiment with the Bernoulli blower and play pilot in the cockpit. In Thinkering Lab, you can engineer different structures and challenges using a range of materials. Right now, it is imagination playground blocks. Visit the post office to sort, manage, and collect letters. Pretend you're a letter carrier and deliver letters all around the museum. Visit the Capla Corner to build tall towers, geometric designs, and more. In Mindball, play games and explore challenges using just the power of your brain. Create your own topographical map with our augmented reality sand table. Compare and contrast different dinosaurs, investigate, and play in our Dino Detective exhibit. Visit the mini exhibit nooks for a variety of teeny tiny rotating displays and activities. See what new crafts, activities, games, and more we are creating in our Muse Studio Art area. These activities revolve around a theme and change almost every week. In the Kids Cafe, serve, cook, and play with food from 3 unique cultures. Visit the Green Screen exhibit to travel to places around the globe and join in the unique dances and celebrations. The Oneworld Marketplace provides props for the green screen and food for the Kids Cafe. Use the cash register to buy and sell goods. Kachiko Nature highlights the river life right outside the museum. Pretend to be beavers or osprey, deliver cargo on the gondola boat, and more. Check out a variety of mini rotating exhibits in our naturalist study all about nature. Step back in time, hop aboard the trolley and learn about early forms of transportation in Dover. Become a mill worker and practice your weaving. Learn how to card and spin cotton and investigate the inner workings of a mill in our Kachiko Industry exhibit. Create sounds and watch sound waves on our wall-to-wall music matrix exhibit. Investigate the water cycle in local streams, rivers, and watersheds with our river model exhibit. Leave an impression on the pin screen. The ramp brings you to the 2nd floor of the museum. Enjoy Gallery 6, our rotating art gallery featuring works by regional artists as you make your way to the 2nd floor. We have 3 exhibits to explore upstairs. The first, Primary Place, is a special area for our visitors who are 3 years old or younger and their adult caregivers. Explore the train table, puppets, and baby butterfly garden, all designed with this young age group in mind. Speaking of our youngest visitors, this area also has a breastfeeding nook. Across the hall is Cave Explorers. Pop on a Cave Explorer vest and investigate this dark space filled with hidden treasures. Make patterns and designs in our Pattern Palace exhibit. Be king or queen for the day. There is so much to explore at the Children's Museum of New Hampshire, and we look forward to seeing you soon.